Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Nareswara. I'm from University State Surabaya, Technical Engineering, and my name is 135874043. In here, I will explain you about basic theory, logic gate, and or and not. First, logic gate and. And logic gate are a logic gate that have a function z is x1, x2, where x1 and x2 are input z is output. The output z will be equal to 1 if both input are 0. If one output of the input value is 0, then the output is 0 anyway. IC are used in logic gate and is IC7408. Next, logic gate OR. OR logic gate is a logic gate that has a function z is x1 v x2, where x1 and x2 are input and z is output. The output z will be 0 if the second input value is 0. If one or both input are 1, then the output is 1 anyway. IC used in logic gate OR is IC7432. Next, logic gate NOT. NOT logic gate is a logic gate which has a reverse function input. The output z will be 0 if the input x is 1 nor vice versa. IC used in logic gate OR is IC7404. And now, I will tell about the picture. Here's a picture of a series of gate N. We can see the picture. There are two input. Our input display is as a 10 kilo ohm resistor. The input value is 1 if the switch is closed. At the output, there are unled by 3030 ohm resistor. 330 ohm resistor. When both switches are closed or work 1, then the output is 1 and the LED will light up anyway. And if one or both of the switch is open, then the output logic value is 0 and the LED turn off. Next, logic gate OR. Here's a picture of a gate OR. We can see in the picture there are two input. Our input which both is as 10 kilo ohm resistor. Both input will be equal to 1 if the switch is closed. At the output, there unled by 330 ohm resistor. When the second switch is open or is 0, the output is worth 0, 2, and LED to dead. And if one or both of the switch is open, then the output logic value is 1 and the LED will light up. Next is logic gate NOT. We can see the picture. There is one input. There is one input where the input has a resistor 10 kilo ohm. The input value is 1 if the switch is closed. At the output, there LED by 330 ohm resistor. When the switch is open is 0, then the output is 1 and the LED will light up anyway. Now I will explain at stuff. This is logic gate NOT. When I'm not pressed, the point is 0. When I'm pressed, the point is 1 and the LED point is 1 too. So the LED will be turned on. This is logic gate OR. When I'm not pressed, the point is 1, 1, and 1. When I'm pressed this point is 0, 1, and 1. When I press this, the point is 1, 0, and 1. When I press both of them, the point is 0, 0, and 0. And next is logic gate N. When I'm not pressed, the point is 1, 1, and 1. When I press this, the point will be 0, 1, and 1. 0, 1, and 0. When I press this, the point is 1, 0, and 0. And when I press both of them, the point will be 0, 0, and 0. Okay, that's all from me. If there is mistake, I'm so sorry. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.